guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing an Amazon favorite. I don't know about you, but I'm kind of addicted to shopping on Amazon and there are just so many good things on there. And honestly, half the time it's a lot cheaper. So I thought I would share with you all of my favorite Amazon finds, all of the goodies that I've found over there that I love, that are totally worth it and that I keep repurchasing. So first up, I actually have a couple of hair care items. Honestly, Amazon is the place to go for hair stuff. And I wanted to show you guys this absolute miracle in a bottle. This is called Glazyplex and it's like a 4-in-1 like miracle repair hair product. It's from the brand Glaze. You guys probably remember me working with them. I've been working with Glaze for honestly, it's been like 3 or 4 years now, a really, really long time. And this is their brand newest launch. You will have seen me talk in heaps of my other videos about like their color conditioner. Essentially, it's like a conditioner that's got color in it and it keeps your color fresh and it keeps my brunette looking like really, really rich and vibrant. I use it all the time. I still use it all the time. Love, 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 love and adore it. But they've just launched this brand new product and this is the Glazyplex Super Bond Repair Treatment. This is a 4-in-1 conditioning treatment that actually repairs 4 kinds of damage and builds 4 kinds of bonds in your hair, and it does it in only 4 minutes. It's honestly absolutely wild, and it's funny because one of the things that you guys ask me most, and honestly comments that I say here on my videos all the time, how do you keep your hair so shiny? How do you get it to look like a glossy color? How do you keep it soft? How do you stop flyaways? How do you stop all of that? It's these kinds of products that do it for me. So this is a little 4-minute treatment that actually treats physical damage, color damage, chemical damage, and heat damage in your hair. And it's also got all these amazing ingredients in it that actually help rebuild the damaged bonds in your hair kind of as you're using it. It's so quick and easy to use. Pretty much what I do with this one, and I have already been through a few of these, I pretty much jump in the shower, and because it's like only a 4-minute leave-in treatment, I find it so annoying when hair masks are like 15 minutes or more. And I'm like, girl, I don't have time for this. It's a 4-minute treatment. I essentially jump in the shower. I will shampoo all of my hair. I'll pop this in and I'll leave it in my hair for 4 minutes to work its magic. And so while it's in, I'll be washing my face, I'll shave my legs, I'll do, whatever else I need to do. And then you just rinse it out and you jump out and you style your hair like normal. A couple of reasons why I really love this. Firstly, the intense difference that I see in my hair is absolutely wild. I'll just quickly show you on screen here. This is my hair before using it. The ends are really, really dry. You can see lots of texture in the ends. Looks like I've got lots of split ends. My hair's like really dull. It's lifeless. It's not giving much at all. And then here is my hair after I've used it. Just see how incredibly silky it is, how shiny it is. It's got that amazing glass-like finish. It is so silky, like crazy, crazy silky smooth after you use this. The second thing is, because I do have so much hair, my hair's like quite fine, but there's a lot of it, and a lot of leave-in treatment and a lot of deeper, heavier conditioning style products, they actually, I find them to really weigh my hair down. They leave it quite greasy looking. And I hate it because I really like to have like clean feeling hair. I don't like hair that feels like it's got product in it. And when I use this, it gives me all of the amazing shine and that damage repair and everything, but it doesn't actually leave a residue or weigh my hair down, which is awesome. It's a really amazing thick sort of formula. It smells like actual heaven too. I did use it this morning in my hair and I can still smell it. Like my hair smells really good. Just Glaze overall as a brand, their products are incredible. I really, really recommend you trying this one out if you've got damaged hair or even if you just want your hair to be silky and shiny. And this is definitely an Amazon fave that I will be continuing to repurchase forever. Next up for Amazon must-haves, and this one's going to seem a little rogue, but for the hair care, you guys, I bought $10 clip-in bangs off Amazon and they are so good. Like, it's actually wild how accurate these look. So it's a little tricky to see, but they've got like a little clip up the top here. They're very light, sort of like curtain bangs. And when it doesn't really look as good when my hair is down, hang on, I'll pop it half up so we can see. I'm still searching for clip-in bangs that actually look good when my hair is down. I just feel like when my hair's down, it's like a little too obvious. Honestly, Amazon is dangerous to me. I see all these things and I just go rogue. Okay, so if I put half my hair up, it'll give you a better idea. These are so good. You literally just slide them in, clip them in. And I mean, they're not styled, so they're not going to look as good as they normally do because I've pulled them out of my suitcase because I did take these to Sydney recently. But essentially what you get is an instant fringe. And I have actually tried quite a few clip-in bangs. I really should have styled them for this video, honestly. Hopefully you guys get the gist though. I've actually tried so many clip-in bangs and I've spent a lot of money on clip-in bangs. Honestly, this $10 one from Amazon looks the most realistic, is the easiest to use, and is the most comfortable to wear. I'm absolutely obsessed. Like, every time I put this in, I'm like, I want to cut bangs. Talk me out of it in the comments. You know I'm going to regret doing it. you know, my hair is going to annoy me. It's going to annoy me at the gym. It's going to annoy me when I'm doing my makeup. But then I see me with a fringe and I just love it. I feel like it makes me look younger. We can hide the wrinkles a bit. I want bangs. I really do want them. But yes, $10 clip-in fringe from Amazon. You need this. It's an absolute game changer if you are like me and you've been wanting bangs as well. Oh, and I forgot to mention at the start of the video, of course, I will be listing all of the links to all of these products down below so that you can get them directly so you don't have to go and like, you know, search for them online. Trolling Amazon is a full-time job because there's normally like 50 versions of everything and it's like, which one is the good one? I'll give you all the direct links. I actually think maybe I have an Amazon storefront somewhere that I haven't set up properly. I feel like they gave me one. I really need to get it together, don't I? And then thirdly, for my hair faves are these little things here. Now, I do have unsealed ones in the bathroom, but I figured it was just easy to grab the new packet. I'm not exactly sure of the official name of these, but they're essentially heatless curlers. And these work so well. It is absolutely crazy. Now, I know most of you are used to seeing, you know, those big like silk wraps that people put over their head and then they like wrap their hair around it and then they'll clamp it and then they'll sleep in it. I don't know how those girls are doing it because me personally, I am wild when I sleep. Like I sleep on my side, I sleep on like my front, I sleep on my back. Like I'm moving all over the place. Firstly, they're so uncomfortable. Like you have to sleep on your back like a geisha and not move. And I'm just not about that. And secondly, I wake up in the morning and the entire thing has fallen out. It's just a fail for me. These are my new favorite thing to use. And honestly, it's so quick. So what I'll do is I'll sort of like, I'll wash my hair and I'll dry it off about, I want to say maybe 60%. Like it's still a little bit damp, but like I'll make sure my roots are dry and everything. And then I take these and you basically just wrap your hair around them like this. It's super quick and it's much easier if your hair is like a little bit wet as well. And then you pretty much just like go like this. And then they sit like this. I do normally do like a better job of it when I use it. So normally like they're sort of all around my head like this quite tight. Then I will grab the hairdryer and I will quickly go over my hair and dry it the rest of the way. So when it's already 60% dry, it doesn't take long. Like maybe I'll blast it for about 5 minutes and then I'll take them out and honestly it gives me the most perfect curls ever. And it's just a lot easier than having to like spend all of the time, you know, like curling your whole head. You can also use these as heatless curlers properly. You can wrap your hair around them and actually sleep in it. Or you can also use them in your hair when it's wet and then leave them for a couple of hours. They just work so well. I first saw them in a TikTok video and I was like, oh, that looks fun. I need to try those. I'm so glad I did because I'm obsessed. Okay, next up I got a couple of skincare faves that I love. Total Amazon must-haves. And they're actually more affordable when you buy them on Amazon. It's awesome. Firstly, and this is a product I've been talking about a lot lately, it's the Labo Super Hyaluronic Acid, the #1 hydrator. This stuff. So this is essentially like an essence. So it's designed to be used, so you will cleanse your skin. And then if you use toner, you'll use that. And then you use this on the skin before applying your serums. It's like straight up hyaluronic acid. It is incredibly lightweight. It hydrates the skin better than anything I've ever come across. And it's really lightweight. Like it feels like water. I wish I could use this over my entire body. And to be fair, I probably could, but I'll probably get a little bit expensive doing that because these bottles are just not big enough. This has got multiple different kinds of hyaluronic acid in it to really hydrate the skin. And it just dries down without leaving any residue, any stickiness on the skin, any like greasiness or tackiness, but it plumps, it visibly smooths, and it visibly makes your skin look like 10 years younger in all of about 2 seconds. Labo is the #1 best-selling skincare brand in Japan. I do not know why more people are not familiar with them or aware of them here in Australia or for you guys in the US or even the UK because their products are absolutely phenomenal. I would highly recommend if you are making an Amazon order, add one of these to your basket, try it once. Just try it once and come back and let me know your results because I guarantee it, your skin will never, ever have looked as good as it will after you use this. And I've got so many people onto these products. Like, I even run into people like, you know, when I'm like in shopping centers and stuff being like, Nikkia, you told me to try Labo and I did and like it's changed my life. Yeah, there's a reason. And then next up for skincare, and this is actually a brand new bottle that I've got. The brand is CosRx. You can get this brand on Amazon. I came across this because I regularly go onto the Amazon bestsellers, like bestseller in beauty page, and their snail Essence serum is always like #1 bestseller. And I was like, oh, I'm really curious about that. I do have the snail serum here as well. I was influenced to buy it, I'm not going to lie. I haven't tried it yet, so I can't vouch for it yet, but I will try it soon. However, these little eye gel patches, I love. I use these all of the time, and I always repurchase. It's pretty basic and straightforward. They're little gel eye patches that you sit on the skin underneath your eyes. I let them sit there for about 10-15 minutes, pretty much until like most of the serum has sort of absorbed into the skin. And these ones are the snail hydrogel ones. I know it sounds disgusting, but they're formulated with snail secretion. Like, you know, like that sticky stuff that like a snail leaves behind when it like slithers along the ground. Essentially, this has got that in it, and it's truly just one of the most magical ingredients in skincare. My under eyes, they look less puffy, they look brighter, there's less creasing, my concealer goes on way smoother. Like, I pretty much will use these when I'm going to do like a really, you know, like when I want my makeup to look super nice, or if I'm feeling particularly tired and I'm just wanting like a bit of a pick-me-up, I will use these. They're just awesome. And I 100% blame the Amazon like bestsellers page for these, because I wouldn't have discovered them otherwise. Really recommend. So yeah, again, if you're doing an Amazon order, add to cart. And then quickly, another one that's not exactly skincare, but kind of, brow henna capsules. Now, there are so many brands that do these on Amazon, and honestly, it doesn't really matter which brand you get, but these kind of, they look like little pills, like little capsules. That is what they look like. And inside here is henna powder. Now, I have been henna tattooing my brows now for, I don't know, 18 months, 2 years, like quite a while now. It's so quick and simple to do. It's very easy, and it does leave like a temporary sort of tattooed look on the skin. It doesn't last, they say that it lasts 6 weeks. It really doesn't last 6 weeks. I can probably get about 2 weeks out of mine, but my brows just look full all of the time. It's quick and simple. I paint it on. I just crack one of these and mix it with a couple of drops of water, paint it on with an angled brush. I like to leave it for a while, maybe like an hour. So when I'm, you know, at home working or watching a TV show or something, you know, I'll just be sitting with the henna brow tattoo in my brows, and then I'll rinse it off with water and you're good to go. Don't buy into the whole craze of like the brow henna kits. It's just really not that necessary. The results are exactly the same if you just mix them with water, because you can get kits that include like, I don't know, skin prep and like special wipes, and then, you know, like rose water drops to mix with the henna, and then like oil to use after. You don't need all of that. Like, it's honestly, it's a waste of money. Just buy the little capsules, mix them with a tiny little bit of water, paint your brows on, and you'll have henna brows without having to spend all the money in a salon. Like, it is a game changer. Another totally rogue item that I keep repurchasing off Amazon is this Rexona deodorant. This is the Clinical Protection Summer Strength. This is a 96-hour deodorant. It used to come in like a different formula. Before, it was like a ball roller. It was more of like a waxy kind of a stick. I mean, that one still worked absolutely amazingly. I didn't love that one as much as I love this one. This one is invisible to use, and let me tell you, there is no better deodorant out there to stop you from sweating. Like, this stuff is a miracle. So if you've got a special event and you don't want like wet patches, if you find that you sweat a lot in like summer, you're working out at the gym, whatever it is, this stuff is absolutely brilliant. No wetness and no odor. Like, truly the best ever deodorant I've ever come across. I actually originally discovered this because of my mum. She recommended this. I think when we were doing our netball tournaments, I did used to play netball at like a really elite level. And I was like, Mom, like, I feel like I'm smelly, like, help me. And she was like, girl, Rexona Clinical Protection, like, you need, because she was a nurse and she was like shift working. I mean, she's still a nurse, but like shift working really long hours, night shifts and everything. She swore by this, and now I swear by this. So every single time I make an order on Amazon, I get another. And then lastly, for the non-makeup items, it's got to be this nail top coat, Séché Vite. I have been raving on about this nail polish forever. This is the most incredible, quick, dry, clear top coat you will ever use in your life. I don't care if you've totally botched your nail polish. You know how sometimes when you paint your nails and it's like kind of like all textured and it doesn't look smooth and it's not like a perfect finish? You could, like I said, I don't care how botched it is. You quickly paint this over the top. It dries down really quick. I reckon in under a minute, your nails will look perfect. And it kind of forms like a coating over your nails. It almost looks like you've got like a gel clear coat on top. It is absolutely brilliant. I have been through an embarrassing number of these bottles. I use it all the time. I will not paint my nails without using it. I did use it on my nails today. Do you like the nail art that I've got going on? I sat and watched reality TV the other day and painted my nails, and I just had a great time. I really enjoyed myself. But yeah, swear by it. You can get it on Amazon. You can get it really affordably on Amazon. It's a lot cheaper to get it on Amazon than a lot of the other like beauty supply stores here in Australia. It is so good, and it is the only top coat I will ever use, like ever. And then lastly, for my Amazon must-haves, it has to be this cream color palette. This is so good, you guys. Like, this is incredible. The brand is Athena. Oh no, hang on, wait. It's the You Can Be. The brand is You Can Be, but then the palette is the Athena. This is a cream painting palette. I love, 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 love this. I do actually have 2 of these. The other one is way more banged up, but it's just awesome. It's so much fun to experiment with your makeup with this. You can use it for your lips, you can use it for your eyes, you can create custom colors with it. You can even do like a full base with it if you know color theory. I love using these brights as like a really amazing like color base. I love mixing them up and doing like blushes with them. This formula is really, 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 really long lasting. I have tried a lot of other cream products and they don't really dry down to that budge proof finish. This one does, and it's really, really affordable. If you're after a cream color palette, if you just want to experiment, if you want to have some fun, if you love color, or even neutrals, like I can do like a full neutral look with this as well. It's just so versatile. You can even do eyeliner with it. Like seriously, it's like, it's a full face in a palette basically. But if you want to experiment and you're after something that will actually last, I really, really, really recommend this. Amazon hooking us up, guys. Hooking us up. But there you go, guys. I'm pretty sure I've got all the products here in front of me. I'm pretty sure I got every single one in. Honestly love Amazon. I think it is such a fun place to shop. I get so many cool things on there. I could do like a full Amazon favorites on organization alone. I get so much organizational stuff off there. So let me know if that's something that you want to see. But yeah, these are all my faves. I repurchase them. I love them. I adore them. And I would love to know, what are your Amazon favorites? What is something that you have bought on Amazon that you absolutely swear by that you think that I need to try? Because I would love to try it. But I love you guys heaps. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you all in my next one.